Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? I bet you want a drink. I'm DJ Purpose.
And I'm DJ Unique, and we are the Fan Mob DJs.
We're the Fan Mob DJs.
And some of you may not know, we actually run an entertainment company called Fan Mob Entertainment, where we not only mix music,
we mix drinks. So I've been a bartender for 15 years. We provide that as a service as well as DJing, silent discos. But since it's summertime,
we're gonna make a drink for you, hopefully in time for 4th of July.
So what we're gonna be making today is called a vodka press. And basically all that is vodka, 7-Up, soda water, and a little bit of sweetened lime juice. And this is a drink that you can do all summer long, and you can do it with different flavored vodkas, so your friends are gonna think you're a genius.
So let's put this thing together.
Let's do it. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pack this glass with ice. You wanna fill yours? Okay, so the vodka that we have chosen today is 3 Olives Cherry. We're gonna be calling these cherry bombs for 4th of July.
All right, shout out to Cherry Bomb.
Shout out to Cherry Bomb. Sky has a great selection of flavored vodka, so does Absolute, as well as 3 Olives. Pear, fruit punch, pineapple. You can make this drink with any of those and they will taste amazing. Your friends will think you're a genius. First thing we do, take a shot, and then we take the sweetened lime juice. And you can't see in this, but you're filling it about 1/3 full. Right there. And then there's that.
And then what's next?
Soda water and 7-Up. And we'll pour them at the same time.
Whoa!
Whoa, getting crazy.
Speaking of Cherry Bomb, that thing just exploded in my hand.
Nice. And so now it's equal parts.
All right.
So we pour them at the same time. Cheers.
All right. That's actually pretty good because I don't normally like club soda, so you know, like gin and tonic water and stuff like that, because it's just, I don't know, it doesn't taste
right
sweet to me, but that's actually not bad.
And this makes it nice, so it cuts the sweetness, especially with a pineapple vodka. I like pineapple drinks, but they're too syrupy. If you do this with a pineapple vodka, it's just crisp and refreshing, and it has a fresh pineapple taste, but it's not syrupy.
And if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you could probably put like a maraschino cherry or something.
You can put some cherry juice in there, or yeah, anything. You can, or sweetener. You can put sugar water in there, whatever you want. If you want it sweeter.
Yeah, that's good. Hey, what's your favorite summertime drink?
Yeah, what's yours? And put it in the comments below.
Maybe we'll make one.
We will.
If you like this video, hit the like button down below, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future videos.
And if you got a booze hound friend that would like something like this, share it.
And we'll see you on the next video.
See you next time. Happy 4th of July.